In an era of rapid technological advancement, Huaxianjing Group stands at the forefront of LCD display and touch technology. Huaxianjing Group operates 2 modern manufacturing facilities in China, covering over 50,000 square meters with a workforce of more than 1,600 professionals. Supported by over 70 experienced R&D engineers, we provide comprehensive technical support, from LCD panels and driver IC integration to UART intelligent displays, touch panels, and mechanical customization. A dedicated quality team of more than 100 specialists ensures that every display module meets strict international standards. With a monthly capacity exceeding 10 million display modules, we guarantee stable and reliable global supply. Our manufacturing capabilities are built on advanced automation and precision processes. Clean room environments ensure reliable bonding of display and touch panels. COG and FOG bonding technologies secure stable driver IC integration, while SMT lines optimize backlight and PCB assembly. Touch bonding lines support both air bonding and optical full lamination to meet industrial, medical, and consumer application needs. Each display module undergoes comprehensive AOI and functional inspection to ensure performance, reliability, and long-term stability. Our product portfolio covers a wide range of display technologies, from 0.4 2-inch to 10.1-inch TFT LCD modules, UART serial intelligent displays, monochrome TN, HTN, VA, STN, and FSTN LCDs, to OLED displays and customized solutions for automotive, industrial, and consumer markets. All products comply with international environmental standards. Today, Huaxianjing products are delivered to more than 40 countries and regions worldwide, serving applications such as industrial control, smart home systems, medical equipment, automotive instrumentation, IoT devices, financial terminals, power systems, access control, and robotics. Looking ahead, Huaxianjing Group remains committed to innovation and uncompromising quality. We continue to provide competitive, one-stop display solutions and welcome global partners to visit our facilities on-site